We projected out what 1 year was going to look like. So like 2,000 a week, whether that's alcohol, our fountain soda, or our hot cups were all single use.
Just really amplified our concern around our role in creating waste, and that brought about, okay, what opportunities do we have in order to manage that waste and possibly decrease it?
What we're really focused on these days is waste prevention, so actually preventing waste in the first place. And reuse is a really critical part of that strategy.
We then pick up all of the cups daily, weekly. We bring them back to our industrial wash-up. We wash, sanitize, quality inspection, and we bring back to the venue for circulation.
It's not just the cups, it's the lids too.
We have different dedicated bins for them to go into, and they're pretty clearly labeled.
If they take it home with them, I hope they reuse it a bunch of times.
I hope that people are holding a cup in their hand and being like, huh, this is reusable. Maybe there's an opportunity for me to think about other places and other spaces in my life where I'm not using reusable materials, and how can I also participate in that change.